Hello everyone. In my last video, I have discussed what is pollution, pollutants, classification of pollution, pollutant, and what is air pollution. Today, I am discussing the sources of air pollution. We can divide the sources into three. The first one is according to origin, second, according to the state of matter, and according to the sources is the third. So, according to origin, it can be primary pollutant and secondary pollutants. The primary pollutants are ash, smoke, radioactive compounds, oxides of sulfur, and nitrogen. And secondary compounds usually caused by the interaction of the primary pollutant with the atmosphere, and it produces ozone, ketones, pan, sulfur trioxide by PAN, that is the short form of the gas. Next one is the state of matter, the gaseous state of matter and the particles. The gaseous like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, etc. Whereas the particles are dust and smoke. The sources, according to sources, it can be natural or it can be anthropogenic or man-made. Now, the natural, usually the volcano or the wildfires. You can see it in the mountain or any place, but it can be recurring by nature itself. Next one is anthropogenic, and the reasons are absolutely human being, and the mediators are like vehicles, the hydrocarbon which emitted hydrocarbon, acetylene and ethylene, and the industries like refineries, chemical factories produces huge amount of noxious gases, all these. And the third one is the burning of garbage which releases the nitric acid. Now, usually the emitted gases by the anthropogenic reason mixes up with the atmosphere, and it floats over the troposphere in our atmosphere over it. And when the monsoon come, that time the first rain of the monsoon, which is coming through all the gases, basically the water particles like H2O, what is in the atmosphere, will mix up with these poisonous gases, and it will cause acid rain. Acid rain is very harmful for all the animals, not only for human being, for plants, for other animals too. So the sources, according to the sources of the air pollution, we can see the gases are mainly, otherwise there are particles also. Now these gases generally make compound gases by mixing up with each others. One of them is chlorofluorocarbon, which generally is the reason for the ozone hole depletion and the global warming. Now, this way, in my videos later on, I will discuss the sources of noise and other pollutions also. So, if you have any confusion or more you want to know about this particular topic, please write in the comment section so that I can make more videos or more informative videos for you. One more time, the definition of air pollution is: air pollution is the excessive concentration of foreign matter in the air which adversely affect the well-being of human beings, animals, plants and their environment. Air pollution is caused by addition of various factors like chemicals, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, oxides of hydrogen, etc. by the industrial plants. Now, this air pollution can also affect the other particles of the environment. Air pollution greatly affects the child's nose, ears, and eyes as they are short in height. So, when they are walking on the street, all the dust particles are going through their mouths. So, it is dangerous.